So let's hear what it sounds like. Ooh. Yep. That was eggs, bacon with some ramen noodles. So what? It's actually pretty good. To get us started, I'd like to thank everybody. We've hit 26 freaking subscribers. Hopefully we keep growing. That's what I want to do. I want to get to 50 soon. 50's the next mark. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to be a baller SoundCloud rapper. Let me try that again. Well, one more. Oh, okay, I give up. I'm sorry. I should just end the video now. First step is to find an amazing hot track beat. So let's get started. Nah. 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 Hold it. Okay, we can work with that. We can work with that. That sounds smooth, you know? So the next step is to take that ish into the studio, aka garage band. Okay, and once you got it into the garage band, you gotta pull out your trusty notebook where you write all your lyrics, you know? Psych! Us SoundCloud rappers can't read. All right. You gotta make sure when you're recording, you only do everything in one take. No mess ups. So let's get started. Yeah. Oh, rabbits. Oh, shit. Oh, baby. Yo, yo, yeah. All right. Once you got that baby recorded, yeah, just slap on some auto-tune and change these little things around. Cut some clips out, you know, and voila! We should all be good right now. It should be perfect. Let's hear what it sounds like.
It's me and you, but you are over there. I wish I can see you over here. Hey beautiful, I need you now. Can you get over here somehow?
I seen you once, I seen you twice. Every damn day would probably be nice. You thinking of when we'll retire? If yes, you can set me on fire. Never give up if you love me. I will raise you above me. Don't shove me, just love me.
It's me and you, but you are over there. I wish I can see you over here. Hey beautiful, I need you now. Can you get over here somehow?